Hi everyone, my name is Branislav. I'm a senior Java developer at Webswing, and I'm the lead architect behind Webswing's Oracle Forms integration. In the first episode, we got Oracle Forms running in the browser. In the second episode, we looked at the admin console, configuration, monitoring, mirror view, recordings, logs, and diagnostics. In the third episode, we focused on security modules, user management, identity providers, and audit logs. Now we'll look at something every Oracle Forms user cares about: desktop integration. Because when you move Oracle Forms into the browser, users still expect the practical workflows they know from the desktop. Running Oracle Forms in the browser solves a major delivery problem. No Java client installation on every machine. No launcher dependency. No endpoint by endpoint rollout. But for many real applications, that is only part of the story. Oracle Forms applications are often deeply connected with desktop behavior. Users copy and paste data. They upload files. They download generated documents. They work with reports. They expect these things to feel natural. So the question is, can you deliver Oracle Forms through a browser and still keep the workflows users rely on? That is exactly what we'll cover in this episode. Oracle Forms applications are usually well integrated with the desktop and use a lot of desktop features. So in this episode, I'll show how we can integrate with the user's desktop when the Oracle Forms application is running in a browser. We'll start with Clipboard integration. Then we'll look at file upload and download, and how Webswing handles the fact that the application runs on the server while the user's files are on the local machine. And finally, we'll generate a report from the Oracle Forms demo application and send it from the application server to the user's browser. So let's get into it. First, we are going to try Clipboard. A working clipboard is a must for any application, whether it is desktop or web. Let's open our Oracle Forms demo application. Here's an input with text. I'll copy it and paste it into a Notepad application running on my desktop. Now we can also try the other way. I'll cut this text from Notepad and paste it using Ctrl+V into the application input. And as you can see, the integration is seamless. From the user's point of view, this behaves like a normal application workflow. They do not need to think about where the application is actually running. The ability to work with files and the file system is another important desktop feature. But there is one key difference compared to a traditional desktop setup. The Oracle Forms application is not running on the user's machine. It is running on the server. So the application does not have direct access to the user's local file system. Webswing solves this by integrating with the user's file system through a custom file chooser. This makes it possible to upload and download files out of the box. Let's see it in action. I'll click the Upload button to open a file chooser. Now I can pick a file from my desktop file system. When I confirm the selection, Webswing uploads the file from my local desktop to the application server. Here we can see in the message that the file has been uploaded to the server-side file system. This is important because the Oracle Forms application can continue working in the server environment, while the user still gets a familiar browser-based file selection experience. Now we can download the same file from the application server and save it to my desktop file system. I'll click the download action. The file is sent from the server to the browser and I can save it locally. The same approach can also be used when the file is stored directly in the database. So whether your Oracle Forms workflow works with files on the server or stores files in the database, Webswing gives users a practical way to upload and download files through the browser. Oracle Forms applications often integrate with a report server for creating customized reports that users can download or print. In our demo application, we can generate a report and send this report from the application server to the user's browser. I'll trigger report generation from the application. When the report is ready, it automatically opens in a new browser tab. From here, the user can view it, download it, or print it using the browser's standard capabilities. So the report is still generated by the server-side application workflow, but the user receives it in a way that feels natural in the browser. So in this demo, we saw three practical integrations: Clipboard between the browser application and the local desktop, file upload and download between the user's machine and the application server, and reports generated by the Oracle Forms workflow and delivered directly into the browser. These are small details, but for real users, they matter a lot. When you move Oracle Forms into the browser, the goal is not just to make the application launch differently. The goal is to make the browser version usable for real work. That means users should still be able to copy and paste information. They should still be able to upload and download files. They should still be able to generate reports, open them, save them, and print them when needed. This is why desktop integration matters. It helps preserve the workflows users already know, while removing the delivery problems around client-side Java, launches, and endpoint-specific setup. For administrators, this means fewer endpoint dependencies. For users, it means less disruption. And for the organizations, it means you can modernize delivery without breaking the practical behavior that people depend on every day. So Webswing is not only helping you run Oracle Forms in the browser, it also helps bridge the gap between traditional desktop workflows and a modern browser-based experience. If you want to try this yourself, start with the same foundation from the previous episodes. Get Oracle Forms running in Webswing, configure and monitor it through the admin console, secure access with the right security module, and then test the workflows your users rely on most. Clipboard, file upload, file download, and reports. You can find the relevant links in the description. In the next episode, we'll go one step further and look at embedding and advanced JavaScript integration, including the Webswing JavaScript API. If you'd like to be notified about the next episodes and get more of a content like this, hit the subscribe and notification button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.